Hi everyone. In this video, we're going to talk about the file upload element. And this is different from the way we typically think of file uploads in Labvanced because this is not the researcher uploading a file as a stimulus. This is the participant uploading a file into the study as a response. So these files get saved on the server in a secure and private way. And some of the use cases for this are things like uploading a picture of the study recruitment flyer. Maybe you've offered extra compensation if they take a picture of the flyer, or maybe you've only given the flyer to specific participants and you want to make sure that it is just those participants in your study. Lots of use cases. Maybe they have to upload a certificate saying they completed a prerequisite. Maybe this is a survey and they need a profile picture for something. Anyway, lots of use cases, but let's talk about the element here. It can be found in the question various category, and it is the last one. So when you click it, you're prompted immediately to choose a unique variable name. So I will call this file upload, and you hit OK. And this is the element that you get on your screen. It looks very similar to some of our other elements, and it has the same basic object properties. And the object properties overview video is linked up in the top here. If you scroll all the way down, you see the unique properties of the file upload element. You can show or hide the question header, which is right here. So say I didn't type my question right here at the top, I can type it within the element specifically right here. You can also make this question required. So again, in our previous use case, let's say the participant is required to have a picture of the study flyer. You could make it so that they can't move on in the study until they've uploaded a file. Now, just a quick note here. We at Labvanced do not see these files. We cannot screen them and make sure that they match an image that you have uploaded. That's going to be on you when you are going through your data to remove the participants from your analysis whose image doesn't match what you want. So Labvanced does not see those files. That is just for you to see. If you scroll down here further, you can see that this is a linked file variable. That's how your uploads are going to be stored. You can also choose to show or hide any of these buttons at the bottom here. And the reason you would do that is if you have it automatically set up with events, which I will show you in a bit. But essentially, you have a file name button, you have a browse button, and an upload button. So they can see the file that they've selected, they can choose a different file, and then they can upload that file all manually. However, if you'd like to set this up automatically with events, you can do that as well. So what you're going to do is you're going to add a frame event, and then the trigger can be whatever you'd like. I can do just a frame start trigger, pretty basic. My actions here are going to be object actions, and they're going to be control object actions. What I'm going to do is I'm going to set that file upload element as my target. And as you can see, we have three different options here. We have start upload, clear file, and choose file. So if I click choose file, the way that I've set up this event is that on frame start, the participant will automatically be prompted to choose a file. Same thing here. Let's say instead of those small manual buttons, I've added larger buttons, or maybe if they click space or backspace, it'll clear the file. I can do that too. I would just change the trigger to whatever I'd like. I can also have a start upload function, and I can set everything automatic. If I do a little trick here where I add a control action and it's a delayed action, what I can do is I can say 1 second after the frame starts, we're going to choose the file. And so I would put that action down here as a control object action, set my target, and say choose file. And then I can repeat this here by duplicating this action and then changing this. Let's say after 3 seconds, hopefully they finish choosing their file, and then we can start the upload. So you can set things automatically if you'd like, or you can leave it manually. Either way, that is a quick overview of the file upload element. Again, lots of use cases here. and I hope this video was helpful.